hear what I say to face?
What you say?
I say if I do bicycle, it's okay. And if I do no bicycle, it's okay. And if I do something, it's okay. And if I do something, it's okay.
Yeah.
And also, I'm going to school. So first thing I'm going to do is put on my clothes. Drink some green juice and also play a little bit, but now I'm going to school and then play back. Go somewhere, play back. Go somewhere, play back. Go somewhere, play back. Right, Mama?
Okay. I'm not hearing you properly though.
I say when we go somewhere, we go and we come back.
Yeah.
We go and we come back.
Mm-hmm.
Also, if we lost something, that's okay. Right, Mama?
Right. But try not to lose anything.
Yes. But in the world, everywhere in the world, there is some crayon. And it's only the crayon can lost, and we need to put it only in the drawer so not to lose them.
Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Stand. I see Tyler is in here having conversation with you. We are up and rushing out to drop Tyler to school. Princess is in my bed, she's still sleeping. Baby's off to work already. Oops.
Hey, you tap my bus and my tram.
Oops.
And also my key.
Oops. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, or will have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. All the good things to make sure that you have a good day. And tell me what you're gonna do at school today. You're gonna
be nice, be patient, listen to my teacher, don't be a follower, be a leader, be nice, not naughty.
very good. Bravo. Very good.
And eat all of my snack and eat all of my lunch.
Very good. Very, very good. And when you're doing your exercise, you're going to what?
Pay attention what I'm doing and don't look at others.
Very good. Very good. That's my boy. That way you will succeed. That way you'll become successful. Alright? That way, Mistress will only give you smiley face in your book.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time to get snack for Tyler. You guys, my pumpkin is up and we're ready to head out. But first, we get in snack.
Abracadabra, je grand de là, de là. Abracadabra, j'ai notre grand de là, de là.
Which one of the biscuits you want? This one or this one? Shrazi. Good.
You buy
And
that,
the cake, yes. chocolate with coconut inside. You can get one later when you come back home.
Yes.
And the
I
juice.
did that I go to school, that's me.
Ah?
I did that I go to school. You don't have this
Put on you.
one?
You don't like this one?
Yes, I like it.
Yes, so you get this one today. Turn around and tell face bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
See you later.
Go later.
Alright, go, 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 go.
Later. Go later.
Alright, you guys, on to school run we go. Ready?
Mama.
Ready to make school run? Ready to make school run?
Mama.
Yes, Ty. Guys, my precious girl decided that she's gonna fight her early morning nap at all costs. So Mama haven't get to work out early today. So since she's still up and not taking a nap, I'm going to go ahead and make me breakfast and see if she will nap by the time breakfast digests. So I'll get to work out in. If not, I'll work out at some point throughout the day when she's taking her afternoon nap or something. There she is, and I can't take my eyes off her because I think Sarah can stand and hold in this bassinet. So hey, there she is playing, fighting with her toy. That little thing in her hand makes noise when she touches it. So she and it is at war right now. Hi, Pumpkin. Sarah. You're fighting your dots? Here's something else. And then she loves to hold on to these. Hi. Hi. And of course, breakfast this morning is no different from any other morning. Plantain, eggs, and bacon shorty. Yes! If it ain't plantain, then it ain't nothing at all. And right now I'm in a ripe plantain phase. You guys remember when I was pregnant, I would eat green pressed plantain every morning at one point. Now I don't want to see no green plantain. I want ripe plantains. So if I don't have ripe plantain these days, I feel like I'm pregnant because I feel for ripe plantain. It's ripe plantain or nothing. Ripe plantain. No matter where I need to drive to get the ripe plantain, I drive to get it, honey. Look at her. Chilling. You guys, my girl is finally done at 11 o'clock. Now I'm going to do something light. I'm not going to do no hard intensity workout this morning. Something light right here in the living room and until she wakes up. You're just chilling. You're just chilling. You're just chilling in your bed. Yeah. Yes, you're just chilling. You're just chilling waiting for mama. You did well, girl. Good job. You let mama get her workout in. And now you're just chilling waiting for me. I'm so proud of you, Dimples. You did well. Flutter Kicks, you did well. Right? Good girl. you guys, workout was bomb. I did it. I didn't run, but I skipped this morning and I did it. So I feel good now. I feel better now. So now it's just cruise control for the rest of the day. Cooking, looking after the kitchen, looking after the kids and stuff like that. Hopefully you guys get your workout in. Hopefully you guys get some kind of energy booster in. Love you guys. And I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. What should we try? What should we try?
I think you should keep everything.
You guys, it is lunchtime for my mini. Is it? It's lunchtime? Yes, yes, yes it is. Yes it is. So why you say no, girl? Why you say no? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Tell them yes, it is lunchtime. She's just giving you all the stare. Ready for lunch? And she's having the same thing she had yesterday. Yogurt and a mixture of pumpkin, potato, carrots, and broccoli. La 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 la, yummy! Ready to eat? Alright. Let's eat up, eat up, eat up, eat up. Yes, yes, eat up. You love your food, don't you, little foodie? Yes, you love your food. Come, good girl. Look at her mouth. She's my little foodie. I'm happy that she loves to eat what I cook. Good girl. I give her food that I buy at the store too, but I really buy those for when we're on the road, because I don't really like to carry when I cook because I'm afraid it spoils easily. So once we're home, you'll get mama's cooked food, don't you? And you'll love it, little foodie. She's gonna eat off this entire side. Yeah. And it's warm and nice. My time to eat lunch while Minnie's here looking at me. Hey, hey. She's watching Bob the Train. What you looking at me for? Why are you looking at me? Yes. You want some? You can't eat this. It's uncooked. But you can get some of the chicken. And some of the chicken? Yes, that sounds good. I know. Foodie. Alright you guys, dinner is done. Steamed callaloo. I also add some corn to it. Ackee and saltfish and rice. Sarah? Yes, it's time to go get brother. Let's go. Ready?
morning. Good night, I'm going to sleep.
It has me to work.
Good afternoon. I'm coming from school.
Hi guys, well it's the end of the day. You can see that my eyes are closing. I hope you all guys had a good day. Baby's behind me, she's feeling tired. And
I'm going to my bed right
how was your
now.
day?
My day was so-so.
It was
okay,
so-so?
to say the least.
Or like you had a lot of plan and Sa disturbing you?
Well, it's
Well-
just a normal day where she just want me sometime. I just can't do anything really.
Okay. Right, sometimes when you have a kid you can't do
Like I have
what
to
you
go
plan to
outside to
do.
put the clothes on the line, do the laundry on the line. It's not easy. She want me to pick her up. And gotta do what you gotta do.
A job mom 24/7.
Hmm?
24/7 your job?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Why did I just do this?
I don't know, cause I'm disturbing you.
Exactly, I make her bottle. I'm not supposed to make her bottle. She's not ready for this until the next 2.5 hours. I'm gonna have to throw this away.
Wrong. That's a wrong thing. The woman can't do two things in the same times. That's the proof. True. They always say
Thanks
woman.
for clarifying that about yourself.
They always say woman can do two things in the same time. A man can't. But
Sure.
that's a proof that woman can't.
Babe fault. Babe fault. It's your fault.
Put the
I'm not
blame
supposed
on
to put
me.
the cereal in her bottle until she wake me up about
So why did you do it?
12:30. And it's not even 10 o'clock and I make her bottle already.
So why did you do it?
It's your fault.
Why?
Because you're talking to me.
Oh, because you can't do two things same time?
Anyway, you guys, that's my cue to go to bed. So
Oh,
I'm gonna
yeah.
leave you guys with Babe so he can tell you all about his day and end the vlog.
Oh, I'm about to
See
go to
y'all
bed too.
Sure.
Well, guys,
So pissed.
somebody's pissed. Guys, I hope you had a better day than her.
That's the thing of funny.
That's funny for me. That's funny
I'm
for
gonna
me.
have some M&M's and go correct in my bed. Can't believe I'm
Alright guys, well, hopefully that was good. If you enjoyed the vlog, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't, and catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. Have a good day, have a good night, see you tomorrow, bye.